private equity, public equities, venture capital. It's no secret that we're not in a very diverse industry. I think there's a couple things going on. I think the access is difficult because, the doors are kind of closed. And I also think that the students don't know what it is. They haven't really been exposed to it.
One of the hardest challenges of finding out what you want to do is getting the opportunity to do it.
You can't be what you can't see. I knew I was good at multiple things, but I didn't really know much about what I wanted to do.
Asset management is something that's not really taught about or talked about.
Even after I interned, there are no opportunities going straight out of college.
I definitely was worried about the barriers I would face, where I would find my place.
There were challenges because there weren't many people that looked like me. Did I ever think that I couldn't do it? No, but I always knew it would be difficult.
And to me, the best way to get exposed to the investments industry is to actually do it.
Project Acclaim stands for Accelerating Learning in Asset and Investment Management. The goal of the program is quite simple. Today, there's 1.4% diverse people in the asset management industry, but it happens to be a multiple trillion-dollar industry.
Project Acclaim. At its core, it's a one-year course for credit where you manage money for the school.
We have a $4 million investment fund that will be managed by students and overseen by faculty and investment professionals.
Our students learn portfolio management skills, as well as doing bond analysis, and provide a strong pipeline of new talent into the asset management industry.
Giving our students hands-on experience managing real money not only makes the asset management industry real, but it also makes it real impactful for the institution. That $4 million endowment will fund the program in perpetuity.
There'll be an entire ecosystem built around that course. There'll be faculty, mentors, co-curricular and curricular activities, internships.
I sometimes have students say, gee, I tried to get an interview at these 3 firms and I didn't get an interview. And I don't know why. I think the why is that most of those opportunities come through networks.
I think in the finance industry, who you know is the biggest currency and the most important thing.
You're participating in classes such as Project Acclaim. You slowly start to get in rooms with people that can connect you to people who do look like you, who want to see you succeed.
Think about the number of people that come to an interview desiring of a job they know very little about. Well, a Project Acclaim graduate will know what the asset management industry is. They'll know their position, their philosophy, how they want to engage in that space because they would have done it.
If we accomplish our goals, we're thinking about 6 or 8 endowments at HBCUs. We could have as many as 20 or 30 of these programs in 10 years' time. You could literally have hundreds of students coming out of these programs and learning about investing, potentially interviewing to get an investment professional jobs, and creating a career that is rewarding and lucrative. And from that, they can give back to their communities, give back to their families, give back to the universities.
Project Acclaim is akin to an internship times 10.
It's important to open up the pipeline of opportunity.
I see this program being a standard bearer for programs across the country.
This definitely is a game changer.
Project Acclaim is going to be a transformative program.